Because I'm determined to make that Hollywood dream come true!
Eclipse. Someone's ranked Eclipse. Tom, someone's rank is Eclipse.
Yeah, so.
It's like the highest ranking you can get.
Highest rank is inherited.
It's close to the highest one you can get.
It is close.
Slayer. Lost the lead.
Oh. Yeah, I kind of blew myself up whilst blowing up the tank, so yeah. I could have totally just walked away from that, but no. I made a hero's sacrifice.
Gained the lead.
I blew up the tank whilst killing myself. That's a hero's. And it just disappeared. Okay. Oh my god. What a... Yeah, mate. Yeah, what you gonna do? 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 Yeah, mate. Yeah. You... Ah, don't worry. We'll get it back in a minute. Whoa! No!
You know there was an enemy driving that?
Oh. Yeah, that would have been so much cooler if I had a jetpack and just flown back up. I'm not dead yet. I really want to ride a Banshee. Wow, that laser goes far. Oh, I see the tank. Ah, he's running away. Oh no. Aww. How did he do it? How did he do? Ah. Whoa, 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 whoa. You see me rolling. Yeah, move out of the way. Where did he go? Where did he go? Where did he go? Oh. Oh, that was a pretty good escape. That was good. That. Oh, hold on.
Minutes remaining.
5 minutes, huh? That should give me enough time to completely own this kid. Oh, mate. Yes! Thank you! Thank you, Banshee. Oh, mate.
Game over.
And there you go.
No way! No!